What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, how are you? I know it's been a while since I have uploaded a video and I really do miss you guys. I have been making videos but I just have not been posting. I have been procrastinating and working, but I'm back with a video for you guys today. So for today, as you can see, I am doing another protective style. I'm doing about, I think maybe 6 cornrows with hair extensions. So if you're interested in recreating this look or wanting to see how it turns out, stay tuned for this video. So as you can see, I'm just separating my hair aside just to make sure that it doesn't go into the hair section that I'm making to do my braids. So I made this line right here and I'm using my big wide tooth comb to detangle that out. And I'm going to be using my trusty edge control that I always use in practically all my videos since I've started my YouTube channel, and I'm using that to just go along the line that I made to make my cornrow. I'm also going to be combing out the front a bit and separating a bit of hair for my baby hairs. Okay, now this is the hair extension that I purchased. It's not like a cuticle on, it has like a curl pattern to it that makes it kind of feel a little bit more natural for my hair type and the look that I'm kind of going for. So as you can see, I am starting off with my invisible braiding cornrowing as I start off with my own hair, and then I gradually add bits and pieces of the hair as I go along down the line to the ending of my hair at the back. If you guys want a little bit more of a detailed of how I do my invisible braids, I will link that video in the eye, but I also put the best cropped part of the video that I can find just to be able to show you guys how I did it. So stay tuned and keep watching for that. So I'm just going down the end of my hair with it and just gradually adding hair as I go, and to also make sure that I do not get my hair tangled by basically putting my hands, my fingers through and bringing that extension hair all the way to the ends of it so it doesn't get tangled. Finish it off, I am twisting the ends of the hair, that way when I am ready to take the hair out, it's much easier for me to take it out. After showing you guys the first one, I did skip ahead to the section where I can show you guys in better detail of how I do my invisible braiding. So hope this helps. If not, I will still link the video in the eye or in the description box below. Double check to see, or keep watching through the video to see if the eye pops up. Showing you guys here how I did it. I did separate 3 sections in the front and I just gradually overlap just to form that first row. That way I don't have the bump to the first section of my hair. Then I'm tucking that hair under the bottom and I'm grabbing it with that hair that was in the middle at the back, and I brought it over, and then after another row, then I add that other hair to the row at the back. So I'm going to show you guys again. I put it under the bottom and I hold it in the middle, brought it around, did 2 more turns, and then put that hair back under the one in the middle, and that is how I gradually add hair in. Hope that helps. So I'm almost finished off with my hair, and I really wish that I had shown you guys the back section of how it was looking. I did not. I guess I was rushing or something, that I forgot to show you guys overall how my hair looked, but I will try to find a photo and attach it to the end. But this is how it's looking so far, and I believe I did stretch my hair using my blow dryer and that comb tool that I bought, which sucks because it didn't really fit. I really struggled using it, but it did work in essence of what I wanted it to do in a way. But this is the last section and I'm just finishing up. So as I'm finished up, I wanted to come on and tell you guys that one of the reasons why I prefer doing my own protective styling than going to the salon is because when I go to the salon, I always have an issue with my hair not being done how I want it, or it's too tight. So I just rather sit down and do my own hair, and plus it's cheaper. It brings back money into my pocket that I would have been given away at the salon. So I just sit down and try to learn or see different hairstyles or protective styles that I want to do and do it for myself. So now that I'm done with doing all of that, I'm going to be putting some of that edge control around the perimeter of my hair or my hairline, and I'm just going to be using my edge tool, edge brush and comb, and I'm going to brush that out and form my baby hairs. Now for doing my baby hairs, I don't really have a technique. I just leave some of my edges out and just apply the edge control to it and brush it out just to make sure it's almost like all combed out or detangled. That way I don't have any bumps or chunks. And then I just try to make sure that whatever I use or how many swoops I make, that it's just even on both sides. That's just how I do it. So, and I always step back to see if I have the same amount on each side or if it's even on the sides of my face that is on. And that's how I do my baby hairs. Again, guys, I didn't have any video clip to show you guys overall how my hair looked, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.